Oh, yeah, give me this one.
Sonu?
Go carry her.
Ayana. No.
Kini, what's that? Is that a lion?
That one
Okay.
is Ikoko.
Wow. It kills. Oh my fire.
Yes, and eat human beings. That is
Jesus.
useless.
Why did you bring it here? But how did you bring it? Báwo lẹ ṣe mú?
Grandfather,
You know how to catch it?
why not?
With juju?
Which kind did you know? I only pray to God. Without God, I can enter bush and catch animal.
What's that? Sir? What's that? That animal, what is it? In that cage, like that? A fox. And the bird, what kind of bird is this? Akala. Look at these bones. What bones are these?
This is for hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
The other one is an elephant.
Elephants. Wow.
Being divided into like this up.
And that the other one on that cage.
The poppy.
Okay, now you can take them to a museum. I mean the bones. Then the animals, you can take them to the zoo. They will pay you a lot of money for them. You don't want to sell them?
No, we have our phone number, many of them, right? Kano State, Plateau, and
Ṣé babu nìyẹn? Ìnàkí? Ìnàkí o. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. This thing that is not safe, is not moving.
Boss! Madam say Ekushe.
Kúṣẹ́ o, boss, how are you? Hello?
You don't give me something, no answer.
I don't have fruit in my car. I don't have fruit. Oh, man, sorry. Really? Okay, oh. This one is hungry, oh, Baba. Baba, eléyìí ebi ń pa o.
And now,
What do you want? This one, what do you want?
Na meat they chop.
would they give them his phone? We go see what you got to give us.
So,
We go see how my brother.
you go give am food now? Kilele, what is this? Let me go first so that Tebashi kí kọ́kọ́ sálọ. Okay, bone. Ojú eléyìí ti wọnú. Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ má jẹ́ á pàdé àwọn ẹran yìí o. They are terrible. Èèyàn mọ̀ pé ó ti tán jọ́ náà.